Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain about common mistake people make when replacing fuses and relays that can end up you spending quite a bit of money on diagnostics tools, parts that you may not need. Make sure to stay until the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Explorer, that generation here from year 2011 to year 2015. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where your power window fuses are located, we're talking about front, rear, left, right side power windows. We'll need to check multiple fuses. We'll explain where you can find them. Relays as well, we'll talk about that. We'll explain where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way do not waste money and time. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine lights, transmission lights, fuses, relays. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, check out our YouTube channels. We have, guys, more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, now for the power windows, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Ford Explorer right here. First, what we guys need to do, we need to go ahead and open the driver door. And here, excuse me, under the dash, if you look where we put the arrow, that the parking brake paddle, look all the way under the dash on the left side. On the very top, you're going to see one cover that looks like this one. Now here, you see these two tabs, squish them together, pull that cover out. Behind it, you're going to find the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, here what we need to check, multiple fuses will need to be checked specifically for that, and the first fuse that we need to check is known as fuse number 1, the 30 fuse right here. Then fuse number 3 will need to be checked there. You need to check fuse 19 right there. Fuse 32 will need to be checked over here, and lastly we need to check fuse circuit breaker fuse 48, that one here. Now about relays, you don't have a relay for the power windows, you need to check that fuse if you are looking for a relay, but practically those are the ones that you will, guys, need to check, fuses and relays for power windows on Ford Explorer. So guys, by the way, you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, circuit breakers, and check under the hood. It's even more complicated, guys. And even you have some special fuses, okay, like this one right here. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. We'll recommend to buy some, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.